Gray crinkly stuff. What's all the gray crinkly stuff?
Cortex?
Cortex. What's this white stuff?
Corona radiata?
Corona radiata? It's nothing. It's just... Alright. So, what is this hole?
Lateral ventricle?
The lateral ventricles. This white thing that goes across the midline? Same as before.
Corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum, right. Now, for the first time, we see another white thing that goes across the midline right here. That is a fornix. So, if you think of it, you can think of the ceiling of the ventricle as the corpus callosum, and the floor of the ventricle is the fornix, right? What else do we have? Right. So again, we have this thing. It's the same as before. What was that? That trunk of the tree.
Internal capsule.
Internal capsule, same as before. It's not as clear as before, but it's still there. It's kind of like this white streak here, this white streak, this white pale thing. Same as before, not as pronounced, but it's there. But now on the lateral side, you see this thing? That is the amygdala, right here and right here. Remember I said where did the amygdala live inside of?
The
uncus. Uncus, right? So I told you this is the uncus here. I told you kind of cut it open. So you open it, and you see the amygdala inside there, right there. So that's the amygdala right there. So that's all telencephalon. For diencephalon, we have this region here. The thing on top is the thalamus. This region here on top is the thalamus, which makes this bottom region what?
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus, right. And we actually see, this is really hard to see. I was just looking for a better one, but this is, hang on. It's kind of there. You can see a white streak here. Can you see that white streak here? Like right here, it's faint, but it's a white streak here. And on top of it, there's a very, very faint white dot up there. I wish it was clearer, but it's actually not very clear at all. But it should look like page 35 of your, this is 34, 35, sorry. You see 4 dots, like 1, 2, there should be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bottom one right there, the bottom streak is not a dot. The dot has become a streak, as this guy here, and that's the fornix on its way to the mammillary bodies. Remember, the fornix goes from hippocampus to the mammillary body, and the mammillary body is right here, so it's just almost at its destination right here. Yours is actually at the destination because these are the mammillary bodies right here. So your white dot is a streak that actually is sending directly into the mammillary body right here now. So that's the fornix. The two dots that you unfortunately can't really see very well on top, that should be around here, that is over here, is the mammillothalamic tract that is going from the mammillary bodies to the thalamus. The thalamus is up here, right? So if you want to memorize, remember which dot is which, they're always very close to their destination. This one is close to the mammillary bodies. It's very close to its destination, so that's the fornix. This one is very close to its destination, the thalamus, the anterior nucleus of the thalamus. So that's the mammillothalamic tract. Okay?
The one underneath you said is the fornix, and then that leads to that dot you said was the fornix?
Yeah, the fornix is an arch. Remember, my elbow is the hippocampus. The fornix kind of goes out like rostrally, like that, and kind of remember it gets kind of bisected over there, and then one branch goes back down. If you do that cut right there, you cut right there, you will see it twice. Right?
Yeah.
So that's why.
Thank you.